I've just checked into my room at the Fairmont Waterfront in Vancouver, and I'm going to do a quick tour of the room. So the first thing you see when you come in is this little cupboard, which is basically a wardrobe. And so you've got your bathrobes there, ironing board behind it, iron, safe. Your slippers are up there, along with loads of hangers down here, and then space for your luggage here. And then going into the main room, this could be part of an adjoining room. So there's the door to go to the room next door. And then taking you into the bathroom first. Now, it is very classic / dated. So it's got a shower over bath here, which is not wildly exciting, but I do love the fact that it's got lavabo toiletries, which are always a treat. And then rounding over here, you've got shower cap, vanity kit, and then shoe mitt. Now, as you can see from the sink area, it is a pretty dated hotel room. So those are just discolorations, but it is very clean. And then more of that lavabo. And then up here, you've got one of those zoom in mirrors. And you've got your hairdryer down here. Now, I'm going to swing back round so you can see the toilet. So it's all very spacious in the bathroom here. And then just going into the main room, as you can tell, it's very much designed for the business traveller with that desk over there. Here is one section of the minibar, because actually if you go down here, here's your actual minibar, which is very well stocked. And then next to it, you've got your coffee station with espresso pods and fancy teas. And then down here, you've got your kettle and glassware, etc. Now, there is even more stuff here. So, in this drawer, you've got more snacks, but then the rest of the drawers are empty, so you've got storage space going on there. So I've got some snacks for the room, but normally this will be a workstation. Now, you can't really see the view outside because it's dark, but I'm going to press my phone right up so you can see it. So that's the cruise terminal there, so in daylight that would be a very nice view. And then swing back round, you've got an armchair footstool. The bed is very nice size. And then another big bedside table right here. And that's pretty much it. My room at the Fairmont Waterfront.
Subscribe to Culture Explorer to see the latest videos.